Hey guys, and welcome back to another Around the Year video. It's been quite a while since I've done a regular talking head intro to my videos, and also please just excuse the mess in the background. Anyway, today I'll show you my monthly book journal setup. This is the first year that I have taken up book journaling, so it is still in its beginning stages, but I've been at it for 4 months now, and I will actually show you just a little bit of the progression, how my monthly setups progressed. As far as the books go, I've pretty much stayed consistent with the design, but as far as the monthly setup goes, I've learned so much. I've taken on so much new inspiration from other reading journalers. Is that even a word? I don't know. And for April, I'm so excited to be using a proper full multi-page monthly setup. And we're going to use a little bit of scrapbooking techniques. We're going to use lots of stickers, lots of pastels, and let's just see how we get on. For April I went with spring florals for my BuJo, but I wanted to go with something more whimsical, something more fairy tale-like, and also incorporate a little bit of scrapbooking for my book journal, so that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to start by gluing a piece of ripped paper to my page and then lettering the words April over it with a brush pen. And then I'm going to use this stamp, which looks kind of like newspaper cutouts or a book page, to create a little background. And I'm also going to add 2 more little labels with the words spring is in the air and some stickers. I've pretty much copied this layout one-to-one from a Pinterest image I saw. I'm going to try and find that pin and link it below, but I'm just really happy with how this design came out. On the next page I'm going to put a reading calendar where I can track my progress or how long I read each particular book. As well as a list for all the books that I've read, along with their authors and ratings, as well as my book of the month. So at the end of the month I'll go back to this page and I'll glue a picture of the cover in this little box here, kind of so I can go back to it and see the featured book for that month. And the winners of all of these 12 months are going to go into my book bracket later, which I haven't even set up, but that's going to be a project for another day. As always, there will be a list of supplies below this video. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future. And then on the next page I'm just going to put a spread for reading trackers and statistics, so you can do little pie charts, and I'm just going to allocate some space to put the total number of books I read and how many pages I read in total that month. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I am completely in love with how this bullet journal, I'm completely in love with how this reading journal setup turned out. And if you would like me to do more videos about reading journaling, book journaling, and also book recommendations or videos about what I read in certain months, etc., please do let me know in the comments down below. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like down below, and I will see you all next time.